Hello, so I wanted to share a little bit about FLOWpresso today, and I wanted to share a little bit of a story if I could. And Deborah was very kind in saying, really, we're going to do it right now? I said yes, but I would make it easy for her. So Deborah had just finished her FLOWpresso session today, and let's just start with, how did it feel?
It's amazing. I've never felt anything like it. I just feel like a new person when it's done. I always have trouble with my knees, and I mean, it's helped tremendously.
So let's talk about, she just loves it,
Okay.
she says. I didn't mean to interrupt her.
That's okay.
I'm trying to talk slower. I'm really working on it, y'all. So, when we first spoke, you were having a lot of knee problems. And this was during COVID, obviously.
Yes.
And you were looking at perhaps knee surgery.
Yes.
And you were told that you had bone on bone.
Yes.
And
arthritis.
And arthritis, and that there was no hope other than surgery. Am I correct in all
Right.
that? Correct me where I'm wrong, please.
No, you're right. You're right.
And your daughter, who's beautiful and pregnant, was having some situations after a cavitation, so we started working together.
Yes.
And she found out about FLOWpresso, and she said, Mom, why don't you try this? We had our conversation. I said, yeah, before you do surgery, let's see if we can move your lymph, because particularly you were feeling in the back of your knee, correct?
Yes. I like the Baker's cyst in the back.
The Baker's cyst, which is an inflamed a swelling essentially in the back of the knee that creates a cyst. There's a lot of lymphatic fluid. You have a lot of lymph nodes behind your knee. And so right prior, when we were having the conversation, you were in Colorado.
Right.
Visiting your other daughter. And you were hiking, and you said, it's so weird, but all of a sudden I'm hiking and my knees feel better, and I got excited. Well, then it's definitely your lymph, I said. Then let's do some lymph work and see if we can prevent surgery. So that was how many months ago now?
That was back in June.
Okay, so it's now October. So, and you were doing FLOWpresso weekly. And where are you at now?
My knees have never felt better. I've been walking 3 or 4 miles every day, and it's helped me tremendously. I feel like I have new knees and didn't have to have surgery to have knees like this.
And are you still coming in weekly?
I am down to every other week now.
Yeah.
Which I'm gonna stick with that.
Yeah.
And
still getting the same results. And that's the point. As your body starts to regenerate and repair, you shouldn't need the therapy as much, and still maintain the benefits, because you've cleaned up your lifestyle and you're continuing to change those. And you use the ointment as well to continue to move your lymph, and you do the manual pumping sometimes, and all those great things.
Yes.
So moving the lymph moves the toxic load out, where it gets stored often in the joints. The swelling is down.
Oh yeah. Oh, my swelling is down.
Yeah.
No more swelling.
Is there anything else you want to say to somebody out there that might be looking at surgeries?
I would say to them, please try this first. It's so relaxing, it's peaceful, and you just feel so much better after it's all done. Your whole body, your joints, and especially at my age, joints start to hurt.
But it's not about age. It's about toxicity.
It's not about age.
It's about toxicity.
Yeah.
It takes a long time for that toxicity sometimes to build up.
Yeah.
And so it looks like age, when really it's just a toxic load. Because you haven't gotten younger, right, in the last 4 months?
Well,
but you feel younger.
I feel younger.
That's the point.
Yes.
And that's what FLOWpresso can do for you. And working in the biological world, that's the true anti-ager, is detoxification. Draining of the toxins through the lymphatic system.
Yeah.
Well,
it's amazing. Thank you. I feel like a new person, and highly recommend this to anyone to try. It's very peaceful, relaxing, and I enjoy it.
Thank you, Deborah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So go find your FLOWpresso today, and we'll see you for your next relaxation.